I think there's some stuff that you see happening now with Google, which is indicative of where we're going with the web. So let's jump in and talk about those things now. If you were paying attention at Google I/O, there's a lot of small and pretty amazing announcements that came out. Google was just sort of hitting us with a death by 1,000 paper cuts. There was announcements on software, there was announcements with apps, there was announcements with hardware, and AI was everywhere, showcasing video and speech and text and audio generation. And inside of all of that, it's really easy to miss some of the big picture things that are happening and how that's all going to change what we do today. Google is uniquely positioned to do something that all of the AI companies and frankly the big hardware companies want to do. That is bring you a unified device and operating system that is powered by AI and AI-centric that will take over a lot of the different things that you do today digitally. Think about it like this. You turn on your Android phone. Once it powers up, you're in a native home screen that is your AI assistant. You can go there and you can type or select from maybe a sidebar or some sort of start menu and choose if you really do want to go into an app, but otherwise you're going to just interact through typing or through voice activities. And so you're basically AI-centric. Your websites go away. You are just living and breathing and dying inside of this AI experience. And any content and anything you might want to do gets surfaced there. I think this is sort of the vision for AI. I think this is, again, what Google is uniquely positioned to do. And I think this is one of those big picture moments that you've got to sort of step back and sort of see what Google is actually trying to weave together. So for you as a webmaster, as a brand, what are you supposed to do? One, I would start thinking about your website and a lot of what you're producing in terms of content online as being more of a data feed and less as an endpoint for your likely customers and for your customers today. You really need to be making sure that you're supplementing all of your normal content with structured data, with additional content fields, with additional types of content, so that anybody in that AI experience is able to not only find you at the top of funnel, but completely explore your product or service all the way down to the most granular questions, and then even make a purchase or a hiring decision from their AI assistant, because that's, again, where Google wants you to go. So again, that's probably my biggest takeaway. Plan on loosening your grip on your website as being sort of the core of your brand digitally, or even your own mobile app. Start maybe thinking about what it looks like to go without those things or without heavy investment into those things, and start to think about everything we do has to be built like a data feed that allows this AI to take someone at the very top of the funnel in discovery all the way down to that purchasing behavior and perhaps even post-purchase behavior, upsells, cross-sells, customer service, warranty claims, returns. All of those things can happen within an AI. And so that's what you've got to start thinking about in terms of your brand, your position, and what you're planning on doing digitally.